everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the the coupon previews that we are getting. Now, with the times like this, some of you guys need to get coupons and you need to save. I get one newspaper sent to my house on Sundays, so like this is how I kind of have an idea. But this time, and I don't know until the future, I will not be going out to buy newspapers. I'm pretty much just putting couponing at a halt and only relying on online coupons if I need to, and then whatever I get on Sundays in my normal newspaper. So we are supposed to be getting 4 inserts. It's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and get these. A lot of these look like they expire kind of like, you know, 2 weeks like mostly in the middle of April. It's hard to say if this whole thing will be done in the middle of April. So it's up to you guys if you can get them. If you can get them for a good deal and you plan on getting out, go for it. For me right now, I'm pretty much just going to be doing online coupon or online ordering just because I want to stay safe. So, but everybody's in different situations, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But here we are getting 4 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not, 2 Smart Sources, and 1 P&G. So I'm going to go through with you guys and show you guys the Retail Me Not. So we're getting $2.50 off of Biotin. Buyers, which I think is ice cream, 50 cents. Clear Care, $3 off, $6 off. And then Community Coffee, Gentile Tears. Yeah, say that really fast. Can't Believe It's Not Butter, 50 cents. Kellogg's Rice Krispie or Cocoa Krispie cereals, $1 off any 2. We're getting KFC coupons. Mars Wrigley chocolate. Now those are probably Easter candy, $1 off any 2. We got Opti Free Polident. I can't even pronounce that all of a sudden. ROCK Rock Facial Moisture. Sorry, my kids like to hang out with me while I'm in the middle of doing a video. But we got Suave Deodorant, $1 off any 2. Suave Kids, $1.50 off. Suave Lotion, $1 off. Suave Men. Miss Charlotte says hello. Suave Men, we got $1.50 off. I'm assuming 2 of them. Suave Professionals Natural Hair Care Product, buy one get one free. Suave Professionals Natural Hair Product, twin packs, $2. Shampoo, $1. So a lot of Suave. We got Super Polygrip. So pretty much it's just Suave and eye stuff for one. The next thing we got is Smart Source number 1. So we're getting Act, $1 off, $1 off, $1 off. Some Allegra coupons, Allegra Afterlife, Beano, Blue Burst Cat Treats, never heard of that. Clear Eyes, Clorox Bleach products if you guys can find any. DeBrox Earwax Removal, $2 off. Easy Off, 75 cents. Jet Dry, $1. Finish Machine Cleaner, $1. Finish Max, $1. Finish Gold Bond Mop and Glow, Nasacort, Old English. So right now it's also a time for a lot of cleaning products to go on sale, but it's hard to have all that stuff on stock unless you guys can find a store that is fully in stock. And then we got Zyzal. Now here is Smart Source number 2. We got Chobani, $1 off, $1 off, $1 off. Claritin, $10 off. Chewables, 24 count. Then we got non-Jowsy chewables for $4 off. So, sorry, I don't know the difference between the two. But Claritin. How about some more Claritin, you guys? Now we got some Depends. $2 off, $3 off. And then Sugar, 40 cents if you guys can get early inserts for that. Right now those are $1.99 at Walgreens if you guys get early inserts. Glade products, we got Nani's Biscotti, Nani's Thin Additives. Sorry, you guys. Poise products, we're getting $3 off. I'm assuming off 2, but it could be 1. And then Ricola, we're getting $1 off any 2. Sara Lee Sweet Goods, Zest, and then Zim's Max Relief. And then here is the last inserts of the P&G. Let me start it. We get an Always, $2 off, Always, 3 off of 2. Bounty napkins, 50 cents. Bounty paper towels, $1 off anything 4 count or larger. Cascade, 50 cents for Cascade. Now here we got $1 for Charmin. 3D Crest white strips, $5 off. Crest mouthwash, $1. Crest toothpaste, $1. Hey, me darling, you little stinker. Dawn Scrubbers, Dawn Ultra Dishwashing, 50 cents. Fix-A-Dent, Gillette disposable razors, 3 off of any. Then we got Head and Shoulders, 2 off of 2, and then 3 off of 2. Herbal Essence, 3 off of 2. Love's Diapers, $1.50. So if you guys really need diapers, that's a good price for if you get those diapers at Walmart if they have them. Metamucil, Mr. Clean. Olay Bar Soap, we got $1 off. And then Olay Eyes Facial Moisturizer, 2. Olay Serum, Olay Skin, Olay Whip. Exactly. Oral-B toothbrushes, we got $1, $3, and $2. And then we also have Pampers, 3 off of 2. Pampers Easy Ups, 3 off of 2. And then Pampers Loves or Wipes, 50 cents. Pantene, $1, $3. So nothing really good for that. 50 cents for Puffs. Secret Fresh Outlets or aluminum free, $1 off any 2. Essential oils or clinical, $2 off. Swiffer, Tampax, we got $3 off. And then Venus, and then Vicks. So that's pretty much what's coming out in the inserts. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to probably pass just because of everything that's going on. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.